Fundamentals of PID Tuning for Foxboro DCS Users. We have taught this course on multiple occasions, and each time, the participants have left with valuable information they can easily apply. This is an in-house training program that utilizes either the operator training station or the DCS, using compounds specifically designed for the course's simulation. This is probably the strongest motivation I can think of for this course. Goals for the course: first of all, to learn how to use step testing as an identification tool to calculate the parameters for the PID controller. Second, to understand why the powerful derivative mode is rarely used. And goal number 3, to learn about the PIDA blocks, SP-Lig-Lag, and anti-wind-up options. 7 reasons why this course is perfectly tailored to meet your needs. First of all, the simulator resides on your Foxboro DCS and is good for up to 2 people. Second, the methodology of the course is based on active learning activities. You learn, and then you do. The course also includes a modeling and tuning of level control processes. Third, your instructor is a process control expert, a human expert with experience in the oil and gas, power generation, mineral processing, pulp and paper, petrochemicals, and food industry. Fourth, there are 4 typical dynamics that are in the simulator: temperature and gas pressure, liquid flow and pressure, liquid flow when the valve is not working properly, and the level as an integrator. Fifth, valve stiction is also featured in one of our practices. Sixth, you will learn about loop stability. And seventh, you will learn how to use the SP-Lig-Lag and the anti-wind-up limb options in the PIDA Foxboro block. This is our contact information. Hope to hear from you soon.